In a world constantly seeking inspiration, motivation has found a new home on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And guess what? Motivational content is going viral. Introducing our Motivational Video Bundle, a collection of 50 AI-generated motivational speeches tailored for today's digital platforms. Once you purchase, you'll receive a PDF. Inside, 3 distinct links await. The first link? Videos complete with English subtitles, ready to captivate your audience. Here is a preview of the videos with subtitles. We all have moments when we stumble and fall. Life is like a song, filled with highs and lows. Life is like a big, beautiful painting. Sometimes we face tough moments like dark clouds. The night can be long and very dark, but even then, stars shine their brightest. Prefer to add your own touch? The second link offers videos without subtitles, giving you creative freedom. Here is a preview of the videos without subtitles. Forests grow tall and dense. Oceans are vast and deep, holding mysteries and wonders.
In the grand theater of existence, each of us has a unique role, a story to tell.
Birds don't just fly, they soar, exploring the vast skies.
And for those who love to mix and match, we've got just audio versions too. Overlay them on your visuals, creating a unique blend. Downloading is a breeze. Just right-click, select, and you're set. Uploading them? Just as easy. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, these videos fit seamlessly. Want to customize further? Use any video editing tool, add your subtitles, or mix with other content. The result? Engaging content that resonates, attracts, and goes viral. Dive into the world of motivational content. With our bundle, you're not just sharing videos. You're sharing inspiration. Get yours today.